Hey, what's up YouTube? Been a while since I posted a video, so see if we still remember how to do this. The water's still chilly. Maybe we'll catch a rockfish today or catch a flounder or something. My wife's having a baby shower today, so I figured it'd be a good time to get out and do some fishing. Got a new rod. We're gonna be trying out a new rod today, new rod and reel. So yeah, so bear with me. Might be windy, it might be crappy audio. I'm gonna put the chest mount on, and most of the video will be from the chest mount today. But yeah, so catch you out there on the water and see what we get into.
Caught my first fish of the day. Striper. About 14 inches. Get a quick picture and let him go. Got him. Bunch of schoolies. This one's a little bigger. 16, 17 inches. I wasn't expecting to catch anything today. I'm glad I'm out here. I came out. Yeah, so this summer I'm planning on doing some challenges, do some different kind of flounder fishing. Probably get into some freshwater. I kind of like this new reel. I just got to figure out how to cast it. This Akuma Avenger. It's pretty nice. It's pretty smooth. Drag's smooth. See, drag's pretty smooth. Haven't had any trouble reeling these fish up yet. So far so good. Just the casting part. That's all. I'm not used to casting. Not used to casting bait casters of any kind. Usually just spinning reels. It's all I grew up on, so hopefully I can catch a couple more if I have to go. Get some more fish on camera. Honestly, I thought this was just going to be a crappy video of me just talking the whole time, but it turned out to be pretty decent so far. 2 fish, can't complain. Just feed out some line, let me get out there too. Oh, I missed him. I'm not used to setting my hook left-handed either. Okay, let's try this again, see if we get one more. Got some line. All I'm doing is just casting it out there, letting it sink to the bottom, and then just jigging it real fast. Just going like this. Just when I feel it just coming off the bottom just a little bit. As soon as I feel that weight, just real fast, that's all. Reel it in a little bit, jig it again. For some reason they love it. This is an Okuma Avenger pole too. I don't know if I said that. It's 6'6", rated 15 to 30 pound line, and yeah. So, but I'm liking it so far. I haven't had any problems, no slippage, no nothing. Pulls them right up alongside this bridge pretty good too. Sorry about that wind. Got him. Nice. Come on, stay on. Loving this bait. This Berkeley Gulp squid. It's working amazing. I mean, it's just schoolies here right now, but still. Third fish in about 10 minutes, 15 minutes maybe. Yeah, we're packing in, I think. Head on out. Got him! Nice! Ooh, it's a nicer one. Yep, heaviest one so far. Nice. That one's pushing 18. I love the stripes on these things. Beautiful, beautiful.
Alright, so that wraps up the day. Caught 4 fish. I only fished for about an hour. Oh, well, actually fishing, I probably fished for about a half hour, but walking to where I went and all that stuff took about an hour. Yeah, so had a great day today. I love them new Berkeley Gulp squid baits. Took me, I found them in Australia, but you know, shipping was ridiculous and I wasn't going to spend, you know, $40 for one container of squid. I happened upon a tackle store down here that had them, and they were actually on sale, so I was like, bought them. And because I've seen videos, tons of videos on it, and people were just lighting fish up with it, so I bought them today. First day out fishing this year. Went to town on the stripers. I mean, for literally a half hour fishing, caught 4 stripers. I mean, I thought that was pretty good for me anyway. You know, I haven't caught many stripers in my life as it is, but like I said, I'm gonna do some more challenges. I'm gonna try a challenge like fishing from like a pier or like the bridge height, fishing from shore and fishing from kayak, see if I can get all 3 in one day. Like I said, we're gonna get some freshwater fishing in this year, and yeah, so hopefully it turns out to be a good year. Like I said, this video is going to be short. I'm just updating you. Oh, I got a new ride too. I mean, I'm in the Jeep now, but for the summer I went and bought a scooter. I'm going to turn it into my little fishing mobile. But it's going to be a short video, maybe 10 minutes most. I just wanted to give you an update to the 27 subscribers that I have right now, which really appreciate it. Thanks. You know, I don't know if you guys actually like my videos or saw something you wanted to like or whatever. Let me start that over. So thank you. I wanted to say thank you to the 27 subscribers I have right now. I really appreciate it. I hope you like the videos I'm putting out. I'm going to try to put out more, like I said, and hopefully I can get better content. I don't make that much money, so it's hard for me to get these nice cameras that all these other YouTubers have and stuff like that. So we'll work on that as it goes. But if you do like these videos and you want to leave suggestions or comments or whatever you want to see me do, whether it be freshwater or saltwater, just let me know in the comments. And if you want to see me on my other social networks, I just pretty much post pictures of fish that I've caught or, you know, something going on that day. My Instagram is salt_t_bum. My Twitter is saltt_bum. And if you're watching this, you know my YouTube channel. Yeah, if you like these videos, or if you're just new watching this video or whatever, you know, like, subscribe. I could use more subscribers, but like I said, the first 27, and I'm gonna come up with probably some hats and t-shirts, you know, and stuff like that. And I don't know, you know, if I'm gonna sell them or, you know, just do giveaways and stuff like that right now, since I don't have a big following. But, you know, I'll try to hook up the 27 subscribers, you know, try to hook them up somehow, whether it be stickers or something like that, just show my appreciation. Alright, thanks. I will see you guys in the next video, and I hope you enjoy this one and the rest to come. Start that over.